Naserian TV.
Subo leng olaingurani le Naserian TV. Agira itomon ayake inkoroki olomon kaji ankarnai kio ka Steven Tuali.
Naserian TV.
Narok West Gabriel Oletongoyo egira gilunore Ilomon lorgavanai Olentutu ejito napa enotito emirishoi tengelare nataase orkioma le siasa le UDA kake balunye no Oletongoyo ajo meeta emirishoi nanotito amu eton naa itu idipayu ina gelare orkioma le UDA.
We will wish to encourage our people not to fall victim to the other party propaganda that they are the winners when we still have the two levels of grassroots election remaining. That is the constituency and the county level. In a delegates stroke electoral college system of voting, which is the one we are using here in a UDA grassroots election, any undue advantage earned at the first level will be carried up to the rest of the levels, and the starting point matters most. This means a total of 2,460 delegates that were never voted for participated.
Etolimu si Oletongoyo inchere ajo kaisapuk apa empurore tina gelare nashomo dukuya te kaunti Narok ejo lopisani le kaunti egira yaasishore apa tina gelare.
In the ward levels, hence transferring the malpractice to the ward level. I think that is very clear. Yes. That mostly these are the people, of course, from the other side who were acting as the returning officers in the first stage. This was the chief officers.
Etolimo orgavanai le county Orkejuado Joseph Olelenku ajo keitashe tenebo iltung'anak le Kibiko ometaba naa nidipi engelare nagira alo dukuya. Etolimo Olelenku nchere ajo ninye oltoilo lormaasai na mpaka nelo ang'oro esipata olosho.
Wanakishoya enkop enye tanakeripe enkop enye. Injoyo enkop inyi. Irara tayari piing'oru kore enkop inyi. Iyiolo enetii esipata? Ayieu esipata. Etaa Olelenku esipata ormaasai, ore esipata onkibikoni naa ole Parantai. Entoning'oki olosho lai amanang'aa ntae. Entoning'oki. Aomon oltung'ani pookin oigero torbuku. Ake orbuku laa yiok oimie kinteru ade aisuj. Aja ng'ole iltung'anak likidipa aitayu. 400. Etooko dung'o nedung'oki enkare. Nooyeyio nkera ang'. Ore naaji pee kidoldolo tengarri newosh tomon enkop. Ashe tina anyit nikinchoo. Masulaa ntae. Nemamirr ntae. Amu ore pee kidoldolo ntumutumo osiligi ajo ketupukuo orkisongoi original. Tapalantai nkulie tokitin naatae.
Ore tekulikae omon nipang'ua olakeshani apa lolorika le bunge le Narok West Joho Olekirokor ejo Oletongoyo eyieu nelo atumore tenkesha Kenya olorika le bunge tolari lo 2027 ejo ninye ake oidim aterewa Oletongoyo naa tilo orika le bunge.
Wikili taisere menyorra enkai enkiguana nanya olosho abanyi negila. Atiaka ntae emintoki ninye aing'or kulikae orikan le president, eming'oring'oro le governor, ata kigelu eming'oring'oro ai toki. Entetemie sii taata yiok Oletongoyo entapal kulikae bungei maishoo taata ipirr olemongoi enkai. Paa keeku ore irishoritin naasuju yiok neyioloi ajo mepuoi dukuya aiguana negili.
Olainining'oni lai ineng'ueji ebaiki yiok ilomon te Naserian TV. Kaji enkarnai kio ka Steven Tuali.
Naserian TV.